Hi, everyone, this video will provide a full guide to performing MMC card data recovery and fixing common issues of MMC cards on Windows 10 and 11. How to recover deleted data from an MMC card. Launch MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Select your MMC card and click Scan. Scan results will be shown by path. Check the box in front of the target files. Click Save. How to prevent data loss on an MMC card. Launch MiniTool Shadow Maker. Click Keep Trial to continue. Click Backup from the left menu. Go to Source. Select Disk and Partitions. Choose your MMC card. Click OK. Choose a destination for the MMC card data and click OK. Click Backup now and OK sequentially. How to fix MMC card is not detected. Solution 1. Update the device driver. Right-click on the Windows icon and choose Device Manager. Expand the disk drives option. Right-click on your MMC device. Choose Update Driver from the context menu. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Solution 2. Run the CHKDSK command. Press the Windows and R keys to open the Run window. Type command in the box. Press the Shift, Control, and Enter keys to run command prompt as administrator. Type CHKDSKI/F/R and hit Enter. Replace I with the drive letter of your MMC card. How to fix MMC card is encrypted. Solution 1. Format with MiniTool Partition Wizard. Launch MiniTool Partition Wizard to enter its main interface. Choose the MMC card from the disk map. Select Format Partition from the left panel. Set partition label and file system. Click OK. Click Apply and Yes to apply the change. Click OK to confirm. Solution 2. Format using command prompt. Run command prompt as administrator. Type disk part and press Enter. Type list disk and press Enter. Type select disk 2 and press Enter. You should replace 2 with the number of the MMC card. Type clean and press Enter. Type create partition primary and press Enter. Type format fs equal FAT32 and press Enter. How to fix MMC card has I or O device error. Solution 1. Change drive letter. Press the Windows and X keys to open the Quick Link menu. Choose Disk Management from the menu. Right-click on the target disk. Then choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Change and select a new drive letter from the drop-down menu. Then click OK to move on. Click Yes to confirm. Solution 2. Run the CHKDSK command. Run command prompt as administrator. Type CHKDSKI/F/R/X and hit Enter. Replace I with the drive letter of your MMC card. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.